Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to make cabbage. The ingredients we're going to need today is 1 medium head of cabbage. You want to cut that into pieces. 1 medium onion diced. 5 large garlic cloves minced. 1 stick of salted butter. I have 1 teaspoon of adobo-like seasoning. You can use the all-purpose seasoning of your choice. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In a pan, you want to bring it to temperature. You want to add your 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to add our stick of butter, and you just want to let that melt. The heat should be medium low. Once your butter has melted, add in your onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic, and we're going to saute that for 1 minute. Next, we're going to add in all of our seasoning. You just want to mix until well combined. Now you can begin to add your cabbage. Put about half in. Just going to go ahead and mix it. Now you can continue to add the rest of your cabbage. It seems like a lot, but it will go down as it cooks. Next, you can go ahead and pour your liquid smoke over top. And just give that a little mix. And now you can go ahead and put your lid on. And we're going to let that continue to cook for 20 minutes. You want to have your heat on low. Okay guys, so you could turn the heat off. We're going to take our lid off. Look at that. Our cabbage is done. Look how beautiful it came out. Okay guys, so here we have it, our quick and easy cabbage. It's a meatless cabbage, and I promise you it's full of flavor. You won't miss the meat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.